If you're a homeowner in Glendale, you know that your windows do more than just provide a view. They play a key role in keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful. Over time, however, older windows can become drafty, difficult to open, or less energy efficient, driving up energy costs and reducing comfort. That's why so many Glendale homeowners are choosing to invest in replacement windows. Modern window technology offers long-term savings, improved comfort, and a refreshed look that enhances both the inside and outside of your home. Here are the top benefits of installing replacement windows in your Glendale residence. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Glendale's hot, sunny weather can make it challenging and expensive to keep your home cool. Outdated windows often let in heat and allow cooled air to escape, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. New replacement windows are built with advanced energy-saving features, including double or triple pane glass for insulation, low emissivity coatings that reflect solar heat, argon gas fills that prevent heat transfer, weather-tight seals to eliminate drafts. These innovations help maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce your reliance on air conditioning. Over time, the energy savings can make a noticeable difference in your monthly utility bills and in your comfort. Enhanced home comfort year-round. Beyond reducing energy costs, replacement windows dramatically improve indoor comfort. Their insulating design helps block hot outdoor air in summer and traps warmth indoors during cooler evenings. For Glendale residents, that means no more hot spots near windows or cold drafts during winter nights. You'll enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living environment throughout the year, even during Arizona's temperature swings. Increased curb appeal and home value. Your home's windows play a major role in its overall appearance. Faded frames, cracked glass, or outdated designs can make an otherwise beautiful home look aged. Installing replacement windows instantly enhances your home's curb appeal, giving it a fresh, modern look. Whether you prefer clean-lined vinyl frames, classic wood grain finishes, or sleek aluminum styles, there are countless options to complement Glendale's diverse home architecture. Plus, new windows are one of the most valuable home improvements you can make. According to remodeling industry studies, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment in higher resale value, often up to 70% or more. Reduced noise and better indoor peace. Living in a vibrant city like Glendale means dealing with traffic, construction, and neighborhood noise. Fortunately, modern replacement windows also act as effective sound barriers. Their insulated glass and tight seals block outside noise, creating a calmer, quieter home environment. Whether you're working from home, relaxing with family, or enjoying a movie night, you'll appreciate the difference in indoor tranquility. Improved security and safety. Old or damaged windows can pose a safety risk, not just from intruders but also from malfunctions or weak glass. Modern replacement windows are designed with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass that enhance your home's security. For Glendale homeowners, especially those concerned about safety during storms or windy conditions, replacement windows provide both protection and peace of mind. Low maintenance and long lifespan. Today's replacement windows are built to last. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading, even under Glendale's intense desert sun. Unlike older wood frames that require regular painting and sealing, these modern materials are virtually maintenance-free. A quick cleaning is all it takes to keep them looking new. With professional installation, your new windows can last 20 years or more, providing decades of worry-free performance. The smart upgrade for Glendale homeowners. For Glendale residents, replacement windows are more than a home improvement. They're a long-term investment in comfort, efficiency, and value. You'll enjoy lower utility bills, enhanced style, and greater peace of mind, all while reducing maintenance and increasing your home's overall worth. When you're ready to make the change, work with a trusted Glendale window installation professional who understands the region's climate and can recommend the best materials for your home. With expert installation and high-quality products, your replacement windows will deliver beauty, performance, and savings for years to come.